Thinking about signing up for Bluehost? In this video, I'll show you how to get the best available discount using a special partner link, and I'll also help you choose the right hosting plan so you can get started with confidence, even if you've never built a website before. Here's the deal. If you go directly to the Bluehost website, you'll see their standard pricing. But if you want to save more, use the exclusive link I've added in the video description below. This is a verified partner link that automatically activates the highest discount Bluehost offers. There's no need to search for promo codes, enter anything manually, or worry about missing a limited time deal. The discount is applied automatically when you use that link. Just scroll down, click the first link in the description, and you'll be taken straight to the Bluehost website with the discounted pricing already live. Once you're there, you'll be asked to pick a hosting plan. If you're planning to build just one website, for example, a blog, personal site, or small business, the basic plan is more than enough. It includes everything you need to get started, and it's the most budget-friendly option. If you're launching an online store or need features like backups, SEO tools, and support for selling products, memberships, or courses, the e-commerce essentials plan is a better fit. It's typically only a few dollars more per month when the discount is applied, and the extra value it offers makes it a popular choice. All Bluehost plans come with a free domain name for the first year, a free SSL certificate to help keep your site secure, and one-click WordPress installation, which makes it incredibly easy to get your site online quickly, even if you're a complete beginner. One of the reasons people choose Bluehost is their 24/7 customer support. Whether you run into a technical issue or just need help with setup, you can reach their support team via chat or phone anytime, day or night. Another great benefit is their 30-day money-back guarantee. This gives you a risk-free way to try Bluehost. If you sign up and later decide it's not the right fit, you can cancel within the first month and get a full refund. No questions asked. Now, during the sign-up process, Bluehost might offer you a few optional extras like advanced security features, SEO tools, or business email. These are completely optional. You don't need to add them during checkout, and if you do need them later, you can always upgrade through your dashboard. Once you've signed up, don't forget to check out the next video I've linked here. It's a step-by-step guide that walks you through everything from logging into your Bluehost account to launching your WordPress website. Perfect for beginners who want clear and simple instructions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your discounted Bluehost hosting.